Hello, this is Model Monday, episode 30, and here I have Rt-Diorama's church stained glass windows and church pews, both short and long. I have a total of 8 church pews, and they have excellent detail, 4 long and 4 short. So starting off with the pews, these are laser cut, meaning they were made out of a sheet of wood and then cut with a laser cutter. So it appears that there are 2 of these, 1 for each pew, and each bag comes with 2 pews. These are the long ones. Here are the sides. So you just break these out of the wood and you can glue it together. It looks like they have notches so they fit together. Very nice detail on the decorations. Alright, now for the short ones. Pretty much the same thing, except they are shorter, bench part. Alright, and now for the stained glass windows. So the church has 3 parts, as I have reviewed over the past few weeks, and there are a few windows. Some of them will be cracked, which will be easily replicated with these windows, since they are printed on plastic. Clear plastic with print on them. I'll just hold this up to the paper. Excellent detail throughout. So those will be very interesting to put on the diorama. Definitely will add some life to a destroyed building. It'll be interesting to see how that goes. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.